guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come and show you guys the additional fall decor that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I got stuff for the tea station slash drink station. I think I'm starting to become fall decor obsessed. So let's just get started. So like I said, I got everything from the Dollar Tree. Came out to $19. I think I got some good stuff. Oh yeah, so first thing I want to show you guys are these. Actually, they are tea light holders, but I'm going to use them for glasses. They probably won't be we probably won't use them for drinking, so it's gonna be okay. But I got 3 of these, and I'm just loving the color. If you watched the other haul video, I was mentioning that I didn't really want to go with the orange or traditional fall colors in the dining room, living room area, but I decided to go with that for the tea area. So I got these tea lights, but they're small enough and big enough, rather, to be glasses. So I'm excited about those. I think those are really cute. Okay. The next thing I got is actually another tea candle holder, but I just thought it was so pretty with the little ribbon, simple with the flower. Okay, I need to fix this up. But I'm planning to put some honey in here, so gonna clean it out really well. But I mean, it's just honey, so it's not a big deal. I picked up some of the decorative pumpkin picks, the ones that are glittered. I thought that was really cute. I got another green pumpkin. My kitchen is green, copper, and marble. So I got another green pumpkin. I got this straw bell. And I think I'm going to break it apart and use this as filler for my floral arrangement. Speaking of, I got these like wheat looking things called cattails. These are also cattails. Like this very berry, little bit of like a burnt orangey tangerine kind of color. So those are really pretty. And then these mini flower and grass, whatever that is. But I just like the different texture, the different color. And then I got one that just has some acorns on it and some wheat, some faux wheat. I don't really like the wheat. It looks kind of cheesy, so I probably would just pull this off. Yeah, I don't like that. And yeah, okay, so I think that's all I got for the florals. So I'm planning to add a couple of these in there too to give it like a little sparkle, a little shine. Kind of going with that rustic glam thing I've been doing in the living room and dining room. Also purchased these napkins, which I thought was super cute, and I love that it has the green. It's kind of tying in my already present color scheme. And then I showed this in the last video, but this really cute orange pumpkin that I'm gonna place in that area as well. What else did I get? I got so much stuff. So many bags. Oh yeah, so I got this, I'm gonna say floor mat, like this little rug. I thought it was really cute. It has these tassels that I'm really loving. And I think I'm going to use this underneath the tray. So that should be nice. And then, not related, but related, they also have these peach Cheerios. These were so good. So not necessarily going to go in the drink station, but it's still fall related. And then I got some styrofoam, some floral foam for my flowers here, but I got the white one so that it would fit into one of the Dollar Tree tall vases that I already have in the house. So yeah, so that's all that I got for the haul for the tea station. Really excited to put this together, so I will be back in a moment and we'll get styling. Bye. Okay, so this is our current tea station. It serves this purpose pretty well. It's a little decorative, mostly functional. So I have some loose tea leaf and that big canister. I have some straws in the back. My Moroccan teapot, which I really love, you can put directly onto the stove. I have the little white jar with the honey in it, then some loose tea, and then some tea tools in the back. And it's all in this really pretty white tray. Well, the tray was brown and I painted it white. So the first thing I wanted to do was clear everything out, clean everything off, give the counters a really good wipe down. I found this pretty tray at the thrift store because I love thrift shopping, and then I just put a white paint around the edges. I added the white paint to really tie it into my existing color palette. Then I'm using the mat as kind of like my overall tray for one of the looks. So when making my floor arrangements, I found that it's best to take apart the flowers or the stems or whatever you're using and kind of like pull them apart with some pliers or with some cutters and to arrange it yourself. So here I'm taking the pieces that I've cut and individually placing them into the floral foam and styling it the way I feel it'll work best. I think this is much better than just using the stocks as they come and just putting them in a vase. It's much more, it looks much more put together when you do it this way. I wanted to jazz up the vase a little bit, so I added some burlap around the center, and then I took one of the little berry stems and I hot glued it to the center of the burlap. Now that I'm finishing that up, it's time to move on to reorganizing and styling the tea area. In this video, I'm going to give you guys 2 looks and then you guys let me know what your favorite is. So this is the first look. I'm going to keep the tray and kind of reorganize things, put in the new fall decor items that I purchased. here is the finished look for style number 1. I really like it. It's similar to what we had before, but a little different. And let me know what you guys think. Okay, let's get styling for style number 2. So for this one, I really wanted to bring in some height, a little bit more drama. So I'm using the pedestal, the gold and marble pedestal that I purchased from, I believe it was Burlington's a little while ago. Here is the completed style number 2. I must say, I really do love this one. I love the pedestal cake stand. Love the height that it brings, a little bit of drama. It's a good look for me. And I love the bowl of pumpkins. How cute. Comment down below and let me know which style you prefer, style 1 or style 2. What's your fave? I want to know. Let's talk about it. Well, until next time, stay true to yourself. I love you guys. Have a great day, night, morning, whatever. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.